Description: the BioRepair-8 scalp hair therapy system stimulates, energizes, nourishes and restores the scalp, creating the optimum environment for hair to thrive. Benefits: removes dead skin cells, buildup and impurities that impede hair growth. Suggested use: wet hair, lather, and use with our scalp exfoliating brush. Can be used daily. Top reviews from the United States. Worth every penny. I have tried everything from the Aveda hair thinning system to all the obscure shampoos that I researched online like Pure Door, Hair Surge, Phytoworx, and back again, trying everything in between. This truly is the only thing that has worked and that I have seen a noticeable difference with. It's completely worth the money. And while you do have to get the complete system, I still say it's definitely worth the money.